In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out WPS account mobile. If you are using WPS on your mobile device and you need to log out of your account, this short tutorial will help you do it properly and safely. Logging out is a good habit, especially if you are switching accounts, using a shared phone, or simply want to make sure your data stays protected. To begin, make sure the WPS application is already open on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, look toward the top right area of the interface. You will see your profile icon displayed there. Go ahead and tap your profile icon to access your account settings. After tapping your profile icon, you will be taken to a page showing your account details. From this screen, tap your profile name to open more account-related options. This section allows you to manage your account and control how it is used on your device. Next, look for the Logout option and tap Logout. As soon as you do this, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This pop-up is important because it explains what will happen once you log out of your account. The message will inform you that after logging out, the files you opened on this device will no longer be accessible on your other devices. This is related to cloud access and account synchronization. Take a moment to read this message carefully so you fully understand the effect of logging out. If you are sure you want to continue, tap Logout to confirm. Once confirmed, WPS will immediately sign you out of your account. After this, your account will no longer be active on the mobile device, and you will need to sign in again if you want to access your cloud-based files or account features. Logging out does not delete your documents from your device, but it does disconnect your account and cloud access. This helps keep your information secure, especially if someone else might use your phone. Always make sure you recognize the device you are using before staying signed in for long periods. That is all there is to it. You have now successfully logged out of your WPS account on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.